Sugar.
What's happened?
You don't knock 6 people now.
What did be 6 people? I mean, by the knock in a day. At least I knock like 10. What did be 6?
And we go still go this paro.
This paro said this special for me because I've don't knock at least.
Sugar, you be Nakademus. Now waiting I think
what did you say? And sugar, honey. Thank you.
Hey, I know say why did they call you Sugar?
You know, sir. Call it.
My Sonia baby, they are very bad. Chai, my country people are on a day. I don't carry another Wengo movie come for na domot again. No, I see they do one for my page. No document at all. So on this special one now, na Sonia Uche again. Now as my queen they do now. No, make I not talk much. Make I play the video. Make yourself watch before I continue.
Omo, you said.
Super cringe.
No pun intended.
No wahala.
No vex.
No wahala now.
Where your friend where she's supposed to thing?
Oh, you mean D? He's upstairs. You'll be coming down a bit. Oh, look at him. The man of the moment. See your man. We're gonna meet your man.
What is this?
See fine man now.
And you are?
Now me be Emily, Sugar friend. She say your friend say make I go entertain you tonight. So now waiting I can't do.
My friend must be silly for saying that to you without informing me.
Not the first that. Ha! Bros. I love you.
You know
I know the bros very well. When Casper won the wipe and bros. You may judge a bad job. I don't even say they like to be knock. If for 10 minutes now, maybe for don't run things. I for like her. Fine man. Is it fair?
Really?
Yeah.
Can I see you for a second?
It's like the run. No fear. I want to you.
Come in.
trust you. But this house fine, sha.
I just the deal. I just knock that bros.
Come. You didn't tell me you were bringing girls to my house. What do you mean I didn't tell you I was bringing girls to the house? I told you. And did I not say I need to massage my waist from the stress of the flight? I know that girl. Which girl? Sugar. So as it stands now, I'm going to take my girl. You take the other one and you enjoy your life. I enjoy my life. I want the other girl. Which girl? Sugar. Guy. I want Sugar. Guy. You can't have her. I like Sugar. She's my spec. Well, you can have both of them. Hey, Desmond, what's up now? Calm down. Guy. How far now? Just take the one I'm giving you now and move on now.
Which kind of large room be this one now? Not the master bedroom be this.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Now you get this house now.
Yes.
You try for yourself for.
Okay. Please make yourself comfortable.
Comfortable. Person will come walk. But I'm comfortable. Fine. I can't walk. Fine boy. Now you get dollars on the bad pass. Fine boy.
Okay. Wait. Okay, wait. Easy.
What am I even talking to? Which kind of talk be down? You don't want any of waiting. You carry a master like enter room. You say you don't want any of. What you want come do for here? One pray. Ayana. Praising the Lord. Always. But I beg you. Ma open to me.
Okay.
Wait till be that now.
I just want us to talk.
Bros, which level with this now? Wait till we want talk. You see person won't carry me for down. You say no more could come up here. You say, wait till you want talk. I beg. I don't want that thing, I beg. Waiting. You know how much that guy won't pay me? You know?
How much?
50K. Now madam God and this bros talk. I beg, see More go. If not to join now with my friend, no problem, Ma just not carry money go. I don't feel go empty handed. Now which kind of trouble be this?
I'll pay you double. I'll pay you double of whatever Billy was going to pay you. Like I said, I just want us to talk. I enjoyed our last conversation and I want us to have another conversation.
You go pay me double.
Yes.
Ma just a talk. Eh?
Yeah.
Hey, why not too much like this? Bros, you want to we talk? Eh?
Yes.
Bros, look me where. No, look me where. You see that now start this thing? Eh? I dey 11 years when I started, so not be me you won't follow talk this kind. Oh, who they talk? Make you go use style take do sophia. Bros, I beg. I don't tell you. If you don't want knack, just carry me. JJ, mo go meet that your friend. Wait there with my friend. Mo do collabo.
Okay.
I beg. Okay. I get that.
Well, we're not doing collabo, and I'm not doing Oshofri.
No, do your friend feed you. I trust him. He go do.
I will pay you 100k. I promise.
Bros, you sure?
Yes.
You go pay me 100k. Make I just a talk.
Yes.
Bros, hey, you don't know me. See, as I dey knack, as I dey talk, bros,